So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can generate fake Facebook post screenshots for free. Now in order to do it, you don't need any software, just simply open any of the browser you have, and here let's open a fresh page, and here all you need to do is to just simply search for Zube. You can see the right spelling over there and search for it and open the first website that appear right in front of you. Once you open it, here you have to click on this option which says fake Facebook post generator. Just simply tap over there and click on this option which says generate Facebook post. Once you open it, here you're gonna find multiple settings available for you, multiple customizations you can do as per your need. You can change the username, the post image, the profile image, and everything. And once you're satisfied with your changes, all you need to do is to just simply click on this option which says save your post, and your screenshot will be directly saved to your gallery, and you can use it anywhere you want. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.